This is a sneak peek of what we are going to have. Yeah, it's party time. On the menu today, turkey steaks, and these are beans. These beans, for 24 hours, I've been soaking in water, so I don't have to boil them for very long. But we'll boil these beans, fry these steaks, and make some rice also. Stay tuned. Alright, let's begin. So beans will take the most time to cook. Pot of water on the fire. Throw the beans in and let's let them boil. We'll spice them up later. And now let's do the steaks. Well, there is really no point of making this overcomplicated. So the pan is on fire, hot heat. Add some oil so they don't stick. Spread it. And what I like to do is I'll add salt and pepper on this hot bottom pan. And here's our rice. I like to pre-wash the rice, like to get all the powdery stuff, and we'll just cook it in a pot and with 1 cup of rice and 3 cups of water, and just let it cook. Okay, pan is really hot. I peppered it, I salted it. Let's throw in the steaks. Just like that. And I want to cook them fast, so I will salt them, put some salt, and some black pepper on top. Yeah, look at that. Steak. And you know what? I don't even want to overspice it because I want to taste the meat. So all it's just gonna be is salt and pepper and a little bit of the universal spice. Just a touch. Probably medium rare, or maybe well done. We'll see. Okay, because it's really fast cooking on a high heat, it's time to flip it. And hold them down. Alright, lid is on, heat is off, and I'll just let them rest for tenderness. Okay, look what's going on. The beans. Let's do the beans. I want them to be flaming hot. You know what this is? This is chicken broth cube. So I want to spice them up as much as possible with variety of different spices. Just everything I have here in the kitchen. Flaming hot, pepper mix. I want them to be really hot because I want, like when they're done, I want to lay them over the rice. So I will not spice up the rice, but I will spice up the beans with all kinds of flavors. Okay, universal turkey spice. All the flavor I want to be in the beans. Yes. Okay, let's check the steak. So like medium. It's a little bit tough, but still delicious. Okay, I just thought of something really cool. I took out the steaks and I'm gonna use all the steak gravy and oil and spices, and I'll add these garlics and these onions here, and then I'll cook beans here with garlic and onions for extra flavor, then lay them over the rice. Okay, cut it up all nicely, and now let's put it in. This will be our base for beans cooking continuation. Yeah, the rice is doing good. This is better than Uncle Ben's. Alright, so to our bean base, I'm also adding some ginger for extra kick. Some ginger, some soy sauce, and some tomato paste. So what this will be a bean sauce. You will see. I'll transfer the beans here real soon. They're almost ready. Okay, our bean paste starting to look good. Let's transfer the beans in here. Yeah, right here. Take them all out, and then I'll use some of that broth spicy water to add in here. Ooh, okay, let's take a look at what's going on in here. You see, this is what I was talking about. This is the sauce, and when it's like this, the flavor is unbelievable. To see if the beans are ready, like, look how expanded they are. Blow on it and give it a try. If the skin peels off, they're nice and soft, you know it's ready. Delicious flavor. Oh, and this is how you serve it. So we got our steak, our rice here, and now I will pour this sauce with these beans on top, like this. And this is a complete, delicious, and nutritious meal. What do you think? Not so bad. You can grow up to be big and strong, Olympic athlete if you eat things like that. And by the way, I learned this recipe from African students back when I lived in international student dorms. So enjoy it, love it, like, share, subscribe. Peace out.